Hey guys, so yeah, today I'm going to show you in case if you have an issue with your GE washer lid lock, and if you want to replace it, what is the easiest way to remove the lid lock and replace it. Of course, the traditional method is you need to remove all the screws from here all the way out, then remove this panel. Of course, you need to take this door out, remove the top cover, but of course it's about half an hour work, and but easy way I'll show you. This is your lid lock, so if you want to remove it, so basically you just go from here, and once you feel it, you can see you can easily pop this one out. So it just goes in just like that, and there's two small clips that is holding. So you just take this one out, and your lid lock, so there is a small lock that you can take it out by pushing it. Then you just have to, while you are pushing it down, same time you need to push the whole thing backward. So basically you push it, same time you need to pull this way. So now it's loose. Then you can take this one out, and from here you can easily take the whole thing out, and yeah, just unplug this, replace your, this is actually the old one, but this is what your lid lock looks like. So you can unplug that, put the new one in, and again going back is the same. You just put this one first. Sorry, the lights are very bad, but so put this one back in, then push until this lock is secured, so it is in the proper position. Then we put this one back in, click it, easy. So you have changed your lid lock within 5 minutes and got the machine working again. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe. Appreciate, and we'll see you with another easy work again.